Welcome back to the Ari and Bart Show, and today we have a special show for you guys. Ari, what are we doing today?
So we're making a Mahi Mahi fish with a honey butter and avocado salad on top.
Nice, can't wait. It's gonna be delicious. All right, so we're gonna go through the ingredient list. Ari, what are they?
All right, so for the avocado salad, we have 1 avocado chopped, 1 Roma tomato chopped, half of a small red onion. I think we probably use less than half because you don't like onions so much.
I don't. Hate it.
a juice of 2 limes, about 2 tablespoons. I want to say probably more cilantro because I love cilantro. So, but you can add at least 2 tablespoons of cilantro, and about a quarter, 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt.
Okay,
Kind
good.
of like a dash of salt.
Dash
you
of
know,
salt.
the salt and the pepper, you pretty much, do it to your liking, to your taste.
So then you want to take a bowl, put everything in there, and then just mix everything in.
Up.
And there you go. You have your little avocado salad going on there.
Yep, perfect. All right, and we also put some olive oil too. So, but maybe about a tablespoon, half a tablespoon. Again, with the olive oil, salt, and pepper. I usually leave it to people's taste. Whether you like it or not. How much of it do you? All right, so we have our 6 fillets here of Mahi Mahi. We're gonna go ahead and put salt and pepper to taste, as well as some garlic powder. And again, there's no specific measurements here. This is just to your liking, how much salt and pepper you want on the Mahi Mahi.
I don't know about you, but I'm already getting very excited about this whole Mahi Mahi fish.
All right, guys, so here's, this is for the butter sauce, the honey butter sauce, and what you'll need is 6 tablespoons of butter, 3 tablespoons of lime juice, 1.5 teaspoons of honey, 2 cloves of garlic, a half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of pepper.
Let's get started. All right, so here we go. So first we get a cast iron pan and we put olive oil, and then after that, the magic starts. Go, Ari.
Yep, we just put 1 tablespoon of olive oil and we, put the Mahi Mahi there. And we cooked it for about 4 to 5 minutes each side. That's it. So we did end up cooking it, each fillet for 5 minutes each side. Now we're gonna get ready to remove the fillets from the pan, and then we're gonna get ready to make our sauce.
All right, do not wash the pan. You want to make sure you use all that goodness from the fish, Ari.
So we're gonna start with the 6 tablespoons of butter, and again, we're gonna go through that ingredient list just as before. Add the lime juice, your honey, the garlic, the salt, and the pepper. Mix it up nicely, just let it simmer there a little bit, and then add the fish back into the pan with the sauce. So just kind of let it sit there and simmer in that sauce a little bit.
All right, so here we are. We're just flipping it over. Make sure both sides get that goodness, the nice sweet from the honey, the garlic, and every other great stuff happening in there. And 3, 2, 1, done.
All right, so we have our Mahi Mahi on
Delicious.
the plate. And here we are, we're drizzling it with some of that nice honey butter sauce.
That goodness. All right, so there we go. Man, this was amazing. Both our kids loved it, which is a hit in our house.
Yeah, I was really surprised. And just because it does have the honey doesn't mean that the sauce is super sweet. So if you're turned off by sweet and savory, don't worry. You barely taste the honey in this sauce, but it's just enough for those who really like it. So here we are topping it off with the avocado salad.
Supposedly, this is, according to you, your favorite fish.
This is definitely one of my favorite recipes for fish. Yeah, I really enjoyed this one.
It's delicious. Hopefully you guys could make it at home. It was delicious. We loved it. We ate this with some cilantro rice, which was amazing. Thank you guys for listen and catch you guys to the next one. I will take us home.
Like, comment, and subscribe, and share with your friends.